Hey guys, it's Dr. Candice and Dr. Max from Advanced Physical Medicine. So today we're going to be going over part 3 of our Text Neck series. So this is going to be good for everybody, especially if you're sitting at a desk like we always say, or hunched over on a phone or a tablet all day. Dr. Max is going to go through the upper trap stretch.
So the upper trap stretch is one of the best things you can do for kind of that tight area up here by the shoulders. People call their shoulders, but it's actually your upper traps. So that's when you see people with their shoulders kind of going up like this, and that means that you have tight upper traps. You can have this also too when you have that forward flex position like Dr. Candice just said. So a good way to fix this is to kind of add on to that chin tuck and that posture relief position that we already talked about in the past couple of weeks is by doing this upper trap stretch. So what you're going to do is you're going to get a nice good position and you're going to look look towards that shoulder. And then you're going to use your opposite hand to kind of pull down. And we could also do is reach for the ground with that same side that you're stretching, all right? So what you're doing is you're not really yanking on the head. So what happens a lot of times is people start to yank on the head, and that's when you get injuries. You're just using the weight of your hand to gently pull down so you feel a little stretch. If you feel sharp pain, you want to stop or just back up on that stretch a little bit. You shouldn't feel sharp pain. You should just feel a nice little stretch. So you're gonna hold that for maybe about 15 to 20 seconds at a time. Relax, do that again once or twice, and you can do that just throughout the day. You can do that while you're sitting, you can do it while you're standing. You can also get another different stretch for a different muscle called the levator by just actually, instead of looking away, you're gonna look at your other pocket. So just think nose to pocket if you're looking down. So you're looking nose to pocket, bring the hand up, it's the same idea. You pull the head down or just use the weight of your hand and reach down with the other hand just to get a nice little stretch through that side of the neck through here. All right, so you can do either way. You can do looking towards this pocket or looking away. All right, so you can do those two and you can add that into your Text Neck Fix arsenal. All right, guys? So if you have any questions, again, you can just hit us up at the bottom of this. You can find us on Instagram at APM Chiro, Facebook, email, North Haven, Connecticut.
Make sure you do both sides of your neck too.
Yeah, make sure you do both sides. All right, guys?
All right, we'll talk to you guys later.
See you. Bye.